Revolut has made banking simpler, but many users still wonder how to find their IBAN and account number easily. If you're looking for how to find IBAN on Revolut, the process is very simple. Open your Revolut app, go to the home screen, tap on the account section, and select the currency you want. Then click on Details. Here, you'll see your Revolut IBAN number, along with other information like the BIC and your account number. For those asking how to find account number on Revolut, it's the same process. Under Details, your local account number, for example, a UK sort code and account number, will be shown if available for your currency. In this Revolut tutorial, always remember that IBAN is essential for sending or receiving international payments in Europe and other regions. To get an IBAN number on Revolut, you don't need to do anything special. It's automatically assigned when you open an account and add currencies like EUR, GBP, or others. Wondering how to check your IBAN number? Always verify it inside the app under Details, or contact Revolut's official website at www.revolut.com for assistance. Never trust IBAN numbers shared unofficially. IBAN number mandatory countries include almost all European countries such as Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and more. Outside Europe, some countries also require it for international payments. If you're thinking, can you send money without an IBAN number? Well, it depends. In the US, for example, ACH transfers use routing numbers instead of IBANs. However, in most parts of Europe, IBAN is mandatory. Without it, the transaction may fail or be delayed. Websites like www.revolut.com and www.iban.com provide authentic IBAN checking services and Revolut-specific support. Always double-check your IBAN number before sharing it. Each currency account might have a different IBAN. Revolut assigns local details for several countries. IBAN is crucial for SEPA, or Single Euro Payments Area transfers. Use only official Revolut sources for sensitive information.